this 2012 Chevy 2500 series with a dent in the bedside that I'll be repairing with the Paintless Dent Repair process. Let's go ahead and get started.
Hi, I'm Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal, and we specialize in paintless dent repair.
If you had damages that were similar to this, you're probably looking at about 6 or 8 hours of repair time. Another flawless repair, like it was never there.
Angelo Dent Removal would like to thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like to know more about paintless dent repair, feel free to leave us a comment in the comment section down below.